Hello everyone! Today we are learning how to add and subtract mixed numbers. Let's get started. Now, a mixed number has a whole number part and a fraction part, like 3 and 1/2. To add or subtract, we first make the fractions have the same denominator. We find a common denominator by listing multiples or by multiplying the denominators. For adding, we add the whole numbers, then we add the fractions. For subtracting, if the top fraction is too small, we regroup one whole into a fraction. And always simplify your final answer to its lowest terms. Alright, let's try a real example. Here is our question. Mrs. Tan bought 5 1/4 kilograms of flour. She used 2 2/3 kilograms to bake bread. How many kilograms of flour does she have left? Do you see? This is a subtraction problem. Let's solve it together. First, we look at the denominators, 4 and 3. The smallest number that both 4 and 3 go into is 12. So our common denominator is 12. Next, we rewrite both fractions with denominator 12. 1/4 becomes 3/12 and 2/3 becomes 8/12. So our problem is now 5 3/12 minus 2 8/12. Now look carefully. 3/12 is smaller than 8/12, so we cannot subtract yet. We must regroup one whole. We take one whole from the 5, which is 12/12, and add it to 3/12. This gives us 4 15/12. Now we subtract the whole numbers. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then we subtract the fractions. 15/12 minus 8/12 equals 7/12. Finally, we combine the parts. 2 7/12 kilograms. And 7/12 is already in its lowest terms. So Mrs. Tan has 2 7/12 kilograms of flour left. Well done! Let's recap what we learned. Always make the fractions share the same denominator first. Add or subtract the whole numbers and the fractions separately. When subtracting, regroup one whole into the common denominator's fraction form if the top fraction is too small. Simplify your final answer to its lowest terms, and remember to write the unit in your final answer. Great job today, everyone! Keep practicing and you will master mixed numbers in no time.